Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into India's edible oil industry and its impressive growth in exports. Did you know that between March 2023 and February 2024, India exported over 7,000 shipments of edible oil? The largest importers of edible oils are China, the Netherlands, the United States, Malaysia, and Germany. Indian cuisine is incomplete without edible oil. Mustard oil, for instance, is widely used in northern dishes, while coconut oil is essential in southern Indian cooking. And even with this high domestic consumption, Indian edible oils are gaining popularity worldwide. India is also one of the world's top producers of oilseeds, with a forecast of 39.59 million tons for 2023 to 2024. States like Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, and Rajasthan contribute significantly, producing oils from groundnut, mustard, and soybean. To establish a successful edible oil export business, prioritize quality control, focus on packaging, and maintain clear communication with buyers. Following international trade guidelines is essential to stay compliant and build a reputable brand. Ready to expand your edible oil business? Visit exportimportdata.in to access comprehensive data, connect with potential buyers, and start your export journey with confidence.